Hello, beauties! Welcome back to the channel, Beauty by Dave. I'm Dave. Welcome to another video. Must be Saturday. So Saturday night must be time to sing songs about it, yeah! Woo! Welcome back. Hope you're having a great day. Are you? I'm having a great day. I hope you are too. Today, we're going to focus on the very end of the routine. We're going to focus on one size. This is my very favorite setting spray. This is actually the only setting spray that I use. And this is a product that I actually use every single day. So I thought it's the best time that I feature this in a video. So we basically got the whole face already done. Let's do a quick little run through. We got the Armani Luminous Silk foundation. We've got our Dior Forever Glow Star filter. We've got some of this Merit complexion stick. This was a super deep brown. This is like a contour stick that I'm using. It's Tiger Eye. Today we got the Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer from Makeup by Mario. As a little bit of bronzy action. I put a little bit of concealer on today. This Glossier concealer. We got some of this Super Dewy Makeup Revolution. This is one of my favorites for a blush that I kind of use as a skin tone. And then we got Spark from Glossier. There's a little bit of a blush moment on there. So yeah, those are the products we got on the face today. Oh my gosh, so much fun. And so at this point, what we're going to do next is we are going to put on our setting powder. Because it's all creams. As you can see, all those products I just showed you, all creams, all liquids. And so we really got to set this face. And I got a bit of an oily forehead at least. So at the end of the day, I always have an oil slick, for real. And so I got to put some powder up there to tame that down. And even when I do that, so at the end of the day, there's still some oil up in there. So anyway, we got two little one sizes here. At first I got the mini, which is just so cute. So adorable. It's got this, little... That's what it looks like on the inside. And so then I liked it so much, I went through the whole thing. So I got the full size, the one size, full size, blah, 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 blah. And it's actually just it's a very nice package. It's very luxe. Feels lovely. Then it's got like this inside protective thingy with the little, then you gotta like find which side it is to open, which I can never tell which one was the open side. There we go. Open that up. And then it's got like little one size embossing on there. It's like super luxe. But to be frank with you, a lot more product comes out when you use the big ones, so you're going to be a little careful not to go over the top. So what we're going to do is we'll use the lid today. Okay, we sure are. We're going to use this lid. Here's the lid. Yep, and we're going to just dump a little bit of this powder right on in there. Oh my gosh, that's far too much. I did too many Too many So, we're gonna be a little bit careful when we do this. So, okay. So first thing we're gonna do is I just use a brush for everything. It's just my little one brush moment. Oh, I found one more product. Love it. Merit. Put this beautiful little lipstick on, which you can't really even tell at all. It just looks really lovely. Anyway, so we're going to start on the forehead. Okay, we got too much product on here. So we're going to just dip into our powder. That's what we're doing here. Dipping into the powder. Dipping into the powder. We're going to brush it a little off. And we're just going to kind of go to town on the forehead. We're going to just watch it. We're going to just go boom. We're just going to go blam, 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 blam town. I'm stippling. I'm really pressing it in. I'm not buffing, I'm not swiping, I'm stippling. Stippling is the proper terminology, but I like to call it stipple. Stipple, stipple, stipple. So there we go. We just stipple it on. Great. There we go. Okay, then we're going to dip a little bit more in. Okay, that's a lot. We got way too much on here. That's okay. If you put too much on, it looks cakey and it starts to look makeup-y. If you don't put enough on, you look like you have makeup because you got a bunch of wet shit all over your face. So you got to get you got to Goldilocks that shit, And there's a nice range. It's a nice range. There's a nice window. But don't do too much, and don't do too little. But anyway, so now we're going to do the one side on the lower part of the face. We're going to do the whole side of the face, right to the eye, everything, side of the nose. We're going to go right in that crevice. We're going to do this thing, we'll do that thing, yeah. Even in the eye, it's okay. And we did put some concealer on today, so we're going to make sure we get that eye nice and good. Boom, okay. And then we're going to go for another dip. Another little dip. Okay, that one's better. That was a better dip. Okay, then we're going to do this side of the face. Boom, 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 boom. All over the place. Oh, man. Oh, if there was like a reward for sound effects while doing your makeup, I would be in the running. Okay. All right. So basically, is that it? Is that it? That's it. That's all it is. We have some powder left in our little cap here. So we're going to just open our thingy back up and we're just going to take our little pouty and we're going to just dump it right back into the pan thingy. Maybe, whatever. Nobody else is using this, bud. So there you go. Then we got that closed. We're going to just, there you go. Oh my gosh, we are one size powdered up. So is it better? Does it look better to you? It looks better to me. Ooh, because everything was wet before and now it's not wet. Speaking of which, we're going to make everything wet again. Boom! To finish up, always got to finish up with a nice setting spray. I love the Charlotte Tilbury. This is a brand new bottle, so let's get the first spray out the way. You don't want to have a messed up spray. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. There we go. All right, so watch out here. Boom. 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 It's very interesting. That's very interesting. I had a mini size of this. This is my first full size. The mini size, the sprayer, is better than this one. This sprayer kind of was a bit wonky. The sprayer kind of sucked, to be frank. This was not an expensive-ass sprayer. Anyway, so we got setting spray on our face, and now we're going to do the Sally Glide trick. The Sally Glides. Allie Glines. Oh my God. Allie, in a video today, she said she's coming out with a new Revie Beauty this summer. I freaked out. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't wait for new Revie Beauty products. Ooh, can't wait to see what they are. So we're just going to press this setting spray into the face very gently. We're going to pretend it's a sponge. I'm just going to get that nice spray all packed in there. And then folks, that's the end of the routine. That's all you do. It's great. Whatever routine you're doing, this one size setting powder, it really sets it off. It's the best powder that I've tried. All other powders that I put on my face look like powder. It immediately looks like I have makeup and powder on my face. This does not. Let's try to get you in as close as we can. Get you on the forehead. It doesn't look like I have powder. It doesn't look like I have makeup on. It doesn't look like I have any makeup. It's a great powder. It's definitely the best powder I've used so far. Just a quick story. I was going to Sephora at Kohl's for a little bit. There's a nice lady that works there, nice young lady, and she said at one point that she never leaves the house without powder. And at that point, I was afraid of powder. I was not a powder user, and she said I could never leave the house. She gets too oily, blah blah blah. I just didn't understand what she meant. But after a little bit, I noticed that I got super oily at the end of the day, and I understood what she was talking about. And so I tried some setting powder, and it's really changed everything about what I'm trying to do with Beginner Boy Beauty. It really helps to blur everything that I'm doing to make it look like I don't have any makeup on, and that's very important to me. So this one size translucent powder, it's my favorite product. It's one of the only products I use every single day, no matter what. So absolutely go check this out. I know there's some new shades out there. I stick to the translucent for now. Maybe I'll try some other shades later, but it's working for me. So that's what you do. Please comment below. Please like. Please subscribe, because I love getting subscribers. This is so much fun. I'm having so much fun. We're just doing Beginner Boy Beauty, trying products out. It's just fun. We're having fun out here. So go get yourself some one size and you have yourself a great Saturday. Bye-bye. Bye, beauties.